Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Recipes and Pieces. For today, we are going to unbox, assemble, and try this new high chair. We bought this for Gabi now that she is 7 months. As you can see, she has grown a lot and she has been eating usual table food with us since she was 4 months of age. We were actually advised by her pedia to start early by introducing allergens due to her atopic dermatitis. And as for the milk, we are now giving less of it. I might be able to graduate from pumping sooner, or I don't know if I can still extend it anyway. We thought of buying this so we can have easier baby-led weaning. With this, we can encourage her to have proper setup in the table with us, as she now have a high chair of her own. We got this from Shopee. After checking several times, I hope it is durable and it will last long. By the way, I will put the link down below so you can also check it. Enjoy this video! Hey guys, bumili din pala ako ng airtight container. Pinasok na pala nila sa loob. Hindi po yan free. I paid for that.
Separate.
Oo guys, so I will just post the price down below and then yung link na rin yung Shopee. So, ang color na binili ko ay khaki or beige white.
Beige white.
Hindi ko na kinuha yung rocker. For this one, it can be reclined. Ayan no. So, nakita ko naman yung iba't ibang reviews. Okay naman sila. Yan, wala nang laman. So, ito pala yun. Excited na kasi ako magamit ni Gab ito. Pa naman siyang malaki. Abot naman siguro to ng ano. So, ito itsura niya. So, meron tayong upper plate, lower plate, seat frame, lower chair leg, upper chair leg, universal wheel, chair foot strap, foot pedal, rear pedal, seat pocket, seat cushion, 5-point seat belt, bracket. Check natin for completeness. Tama ba? Apat. Ito yun, yung rear. 1, 2, 3, 4 yan. And then wheels, apat. Upper plate and lower plate.
Yes po. Parang screw it, please.
Wow!
Wow.
Wow, ang ganda. I like the color. It's so premium. Char. At may lalagyan ng pang ganito. What is this for? Ano?
Maybe pang takip.
Pantakip. Wala kasi siya dito, no? Bukan na lang. Kasi init. Aircon na lang mamaya. So, nilagay na po namin yung mga leg. Upper chair leg and lower chair leg. So, meron tayong bracket dito. And then, yung mga lalagyanan ng mga legs. May front and rear yan. So, baka mas front ito.
They look the same, to be
No,
honest.
no. They don't. Siyempre, pang paa to eh. Ayan o. Meron siyang lapagan ng paa. Yan. Mga nakakaiyak. Yan. Crisp.
Crisp so far.
Pinterest.
Version of it.
That's the ano,
Here.
zip pocket.
No, it's here. Dito siya.
Okay.
Hindi siya pareha, no?
Okay. I will place that.
Hindi siya parehang model, pero
Okay, so wala yung ano.
yung
ito.
parang matibay na na
Picture na to, wala yan. Yung lower plate. Lower
Yun yung
plate
hinahanap
siguro
mo.
yun.
Ito yung version nila, tela. So,
No.
it's not really the same.
Ito.
Yung wheels are here if gusto mo siyang hindi.
Wala siya nalagyan. Yung po.
Nalagyan na ng what?
Nung anything here.
Wala nga eh. Panahod lang.
Oo, panahon.
Ito siya
Seat
yung
pocket. Seat pocket yung tawag. Seat pocket, pero iba yung seat pocket. Wala siya lower plate. Yun yung masabi ko. That's the seat pocket. Ito yung upper plate.
Ito na siya.
Yay! Ito na siya. Tapos pwede mo siya ihiga. Nice. Ihiga. Ay.
Higa. Baba new high chair. Happy?
Testing natin si Gabs.
Gusto mo to?
Little princess. Little princess.
Look at the baby naman. Just waiting for your acknowledgement. Ano ba kayo? Oh, she has new high chair.
Ano tama?
Baby look baby grandma and sexy G look Your barkada Your barkada look at your barkada. Bebe.
Wow! Big talaga. Food!
Bebe, look.
Ay, baba. Report.